Hey guys, on this tiny tidbit I'm going to show you how to cut board materials with a circular saw and get a straight cut. Doesn't matter if you're building a little woodshed like this, a fence, a deck, this will work all the same as long as they're boards. Now to some of you this may be old hat, you may have seen this before and you've been doing it for years, but to other people who have never done it before, check it out, it's actually pretty simple. So to help us get our straight cut, we're going to be using a speed square, and that is going to be our straight edge guide that we're going to work against. Now the reason you're going to want to do something like this is when you try freehanding a cut, it's really easy for the saw to walk around on you, and that can get dangerous if it gets into a bind and kicks back on you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tape measure, find out the exact size of board that you want, and make a mark. Now I just extended my line just so it's a little bit easier to see on camera, but anyway, find the size of board that you need. Now on the front of your saw, there's going to be a ruler, and those will basically tell you approximately how far you are away from the blade kerf on each side. This little cutout on the front of the saw guide is where your blade kerf will land. So you have the left side and the right side, depending on where you want to cut on that line. You can line it up on the left side of the line. The right side of the line will depend on where your blade kerf will end up. But if you're usually cutting things outside for fences and decks, you can usually cut straight down the line. So just center it up on your blade kerf mark. Now, our speed square, what we're going to do is push it against. You have a lip on one side and we're going to push it against, and then you can slide it up and down the board. This is the half I'm cutting off. There's my line, and this side is where I'm going to rest my circular saw fence guide on. Now I'm going to line the blade kerf mark up with the line that I made, hold my speed square tight, make sure I'm going straight, and I'm just going to put slight pressure against the speed square as I cut, and that'll keep me going straight and true and make a cut. And as you can see, we have a nice, perfectly straight edge. So there you guys go. That's how you get a straight edge with a circular saw. It doesn't matter what you're cutting, as long as it's a board for any type of stuff outside. If you don't have access to a big saw, that's it. So I hope you guys pick something up from this. If you do, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next tidbit.